India has been supplying, these same companies from India have been supplying, like IOC, BPCL and HPCL have been supplying fuel to Bhutan, whereas Bhutan is supplying and selling fuel in Bhutan for nearly half the price for what it has been sold in India. It's a direct shame to the BJP government that they are trying to rob the middle class and the low middle class of their basic necessities in such a massive way. This is loot on part of the BJP government. And I condemn this act of the BJP government, that they are trying to make life and things difficult for the common man of India. Now, Rajan sir will speak the next part.
See, other than the convener and Sanada Parmane, he has explained the economic exploitation of the poor man. How the poor man is getting crushed by these rising prices. May it be fuel, may it be LPG, the housewife is struggling to buy, you buy the, essential commodities, there is no gas to cook. You have gas, you have no money to buy the essential commodities. This is the state they have put the common man into trouble. Now, I will get into the exploitation as far as Goa is concerned. How the degradation of our environment is finished, and all done by the TCP department. Now, the green zones have become concrete zones. And this is not our charge. This is a statement made at the Supreme Court, by the Supreme Court judges, to say don't make Goa a concrete jungle. Now, we all know there was a High Court judgment striking down the 17-2 that it is not as per law. It is only ruining Goa, and it is done for the sake of, not for the betterment of any Goan, but for the betterment of the top builders. Has the government made any commitment to say that they are going to stop this, they are going to correct it, they are going to revoke it? No. 23rd, I think 6 weeks is getting over of this month. That stay is there. Okay. Now the question is, what is the conversion rate? 21 lakh square meters of land has been converted from green zone to construction zones. So where is Goa going to be, and who is going to come to Goa afterwards once this has become a concrete jungle? Already there is a decline in tourism. Why? You see, I am saying this is just yesterday. I am showing you. People are still up in arms, converting orchard land into settlement. What is happening? Why are you allowing the people to be restless? One side the chief minister says no agriculture field will be allowed to be converted. At the same time, so many lakhs of square meters of agricultural land has been converted. What is he doing about it? Why is the chief minister not acting? One of the reasons they say that a chief minister cannot act against the TCP minister, because many ministers are involved in this land conversion, one way or the other, directly or indirectly. So the question is, how are we going to stop all this nonsense? Is this not betrayal of public? This is what was promised to Goa, to keep Goa safe. Is this Goa safe? So let us understand that this BJP government is out to crush us. Every time they talk about the double engine Sarkar. Is there a double engine Sarkar? There is only one engine at center. This is best bogie or Dobo at Jala. Why I am saying this? The recent Mali jetty that was approved by the center, the political thug of Porwari, who also happens to be the minister of that area, doesn't know that it has been approved in his own constituency. Plus, he is a tourism minister. The so-called project that has been approved is supposed to be felicitating the tourism industry, and he doesn't know anything about it. So there is no double engine Sarkar. This Sarkar is driven by the wishes of the center. This is just a bogie, a double attack chala, और वही ताते आइडन दावता चल कर. See, let us be one thing clear. There is a problem there. But it is under control. Definitely be sure our Supremo Chief Minister of Bengal is not going to allow Bengal to be on Manipur. Can be sure of this.
Everyday arrest
So you don't want people who are making violence to be arrested? So the law is taking its course. She is in control. The very fact that those who are creating violence are being arrested shows that she is in control. Over 150 people are arrested. It is a conspiracy. Everybody knows it now. It's a conspiracy of the RSS and the BJP. But let's not get into that. She's in control of that conspiracy still.
Congress leader said all opposition are compromise. तुम्ही compromise करा.
First of all, we are not in the assembly. Number one. Number two, the statement that is made and that was being defended by the Congress yesterday, I saw it, that he said opposition. He never excluded the Congress. Secondly, in the clarification somewhere yesterday he gave that konak lagla then joche. He's still saying, why should the Congress, MLAs or LOP or the party president feel because he has not taken their names. He's meeting them first. This is his reply, no? Check it what I'm saying. He has not excluded the Congress. And if he has included the Congress, Congress is the main leading party. If they get compromised, then all behind. And I told you, in this conversion land, why everybody is silent? All are part of this game. We are not there. That is why we have the alternative. People of Goa will have to think 10 times whether to vote for the opposition that are there or who. They will have to decide.